Little bugger has been following me around and bugging me all day. What do you want from me? What do you want? Go film. Ow! Ow! We're out here in the garage working on the Fox body. I'm getting the motor yanked out of this thing. As you can see, I've been working on it for quite a while. Now, again, here you guys have seen my tool setup that I have here at my garage, and I didn't bring any of my tools home this weekend, which was stupid, but I didn't really plan on doing this portion of this right now. And all I really have is some odds and ends Chinesium wrenches and one ratchet with one extension. I got just about all the accessories off of the car that I would need to. You can see the front of the motor is pretty bare. We got the alternator over here in the distributor, which is complete junk. And then we got our air cleaner and our carb assembly right there. So that's all taken off and ready to go. The issue I ran into was I need a 1/2-inch breaker bar, or better yet, my electric impact to get the motor mounts the rest of the way out. I got them turned about halfway with a 3/8 ratchet, and then they just stopped, and I can't muscle them any more than that. I tried soaking them for a while. It's just not gonna happen. So literally all we have to do to have this 302 out of here is get the exhaust bolts out because they were rusty. So I'm gonna bring my Milwaukee 1/2-inch impact over, and I'm just gonna break them off, and then I'll drill them out once this is out of the car. So that's not a big deal. I'm gonna pull it with the headers on it. There's plenty of room in here for that, and then I gotta finish taking out the rest of the bell housing bolts. There's a couple I can't get to without a couple of my extensions and wobble sockets. So literally, guys, all we have left to get this engine out of here is 2 motor mounts, 4 bolts on the exhaust, and a couple bell housing bolts, and this thing is out. So be watching for that in the next week or so of episodes. We're getting this thing out of here, and after much debate with building an older engine like this or going something a little bit different, I had a few buddies that almost had me talked into doing a Coyote out of an F-150. Now, that wouldn't be too hard. We'd need a standalone ECU, and then obviously we wouldn't need the FiTech fuel injection because that would all come with that engine. But I decided to change a few things a little bit. We're gonna stick to carburation for this build, and I'm gonna start doing this every time we upload a Fox body video. I'm gonna give you a hint because I have something huge planned for this engine, and you guys are gonna love it. I promise you're absolutely gonna love it. So here's your hint today. This is the first hint I'm going to give you. The very first hint is going to be this plate of steel, this belt tensioner, and wait for it 1 second. It's windy, so bear with me. This piece of steel exhaust tubing. So make sure you guys stick around for the hints. Those are your first couple hints. Eventually this is gonna get kind of obvious, but if you guys think you have an idea of what's going on, drop me a comment down below. So again, the hints are this plate of steel, this belt tensioner, and the exhaust tubing that we have out behind the garage. So if you guys think you have a hint, make sure you drop me a comment down below. Again, I decided we're gonna stay with carburation for this engine, and that has to do with the hints I'm giving you. So as we keep going, hopefully you guys will be able to connect the dots. I hope you enjoyed this little Sunday video, you guys. I don't really have anything else for you as of right now, but you guys, it's good to be home. It's good to be back in the garage and working on this thing. So I hope you enjoyed this short little video. Shift Wrench Repeat uploads every Sunday, Monday, and Thursday. If you like the content, if you want to follow this Fox body build, I promise you're not going to be disappointed. So make sure you subscribe down below and smash that bell button so you're notified every time we upload a video such as this one working on the Fox body. Let's build this Fox body Mustang together, you guys. We got a long ways to go, but I'm excited. I'm really excited to share it with you guys. So with that, I will see you guys Monday for the weekly discussion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.